Hey guys, in this video we're checking out the top 5 best screw extractors for you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, IRWIN Screw Extractor for Spiral Screws. Are you looking for a screw extractor that delivers reliable performance? With this screw extractor, you can have better convenience as you can easily use it for removing bolts, fittings, broken studs, and socket screws. The product comes in a left-hand spiral design that offers you extra gripping power. Additionally, you will also find spiral flutes that ensure there will be quick fastening. It comes in a set of 5 pieces and is very durable. Moreover, this will let you have easy identification as each tool comes with an extractor size embedding. Furthermore, it has a strong construction and is exceptionally lightweight. At number 4, IRWIN Screw Extractor. If you are looking for a screw extractor that delivers heavy-duty performance, then this can be the perfect one for you. This includes 35 extractors of different sizes and comes in a convenient plastic storage case. Additionally, it is highly portable so that you can easily take it to your workplace. The product can be perfect for socket screws, fittings, studs, and bolts. Moreover, this offers you extra gripping power as it comes in an aggressive left-hand design. This will also let you use it easily due to the spiral flute design. Furthermore, it can increase the grip when the resistance goes higher, and it allows you to have easy identification. At number 3, IRWIN Screw Extractor Drill Bit Set. With the ability to deliver exceptional performance, here is a screw extractor that can be ideal for socket screws, fittings, bolts, and broken studs. It offers you extra gripping power as this comes with left-hand spiral design. Additionally, this has convenient spiral flutes that can embed for improving the grip when the resistance increases. The product also lets you use it according to your needs as this comes in a set of 10 pieces. Moreover, this includes the extractor size etched on the tool so that there can be easy identification. Furthermore, this has wide applications and ensures there will be more power while removing or fastening the screw. At number 2, Alden Screw Extractor. Ideal for a wide range of applications, this screw extractor comes in a kit of 4 pieces. This will eliminate the need for having multiple tools, and it features a self-centering drill tip. Moreover, this is very easy to use and ensure there will be quick screw extraction. The product has an extra hardness and is composed of high-quality steel. Furthermore, this is extremely lightweight that gives you the advantage of taking it anywhere you want. Additionally, this has industrial-grade strength and releases frustration while removing bolts and screws. It is a high-quality tool that can be ideal for variable reversible drill. Finally at number 1, Ontel SpeedOut Screw Extractor Set. Do you need a screw extractor that allows you to have a hassle-free operation? This is composed of 100% carbon steel and comes in a durable design. The screw extractor has versatile operation as you can even use it for bolts. Additionally, it has an attractive look and makes sure there will be consistent accuracy. Moreover, this delivers outstanding performance and is extremely lightweight. It can be ideal for professional applications, and you can even use it for home and DIY projects. Furthermore, this has wide applications and comes with a black oxide coating that helps to resist rust and corrosion. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.